Today you join me on Mabley Farm Railway. So today we're riding the train. It's been a while since I last visited and they appear to have purchased a no diesel train. How exciting. We've got a few horses over there and we're just leaving the station now. So yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy today's video. I'm going to be posting more when I go to Newport later. So yeah, so like it's a rather wonderful railway. It's a train. Of animals here. My video's got to be very long in the next I'm new, so I'm only allowed to do maximum about 2 to 3 minutes. I really don't know. So yeah. So we're going across a bridge. That's the way, isn't it? So we got some cows over there. Got some sheep crossing. Hello sheep. Hello sheep. So yeah. We got some chickens somewhere, yeah, over there. And we got a tunnel. So yeah, this is back to about 1.8 kilometers.